Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Audi A3 key fob. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR 2032 battery. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and is easily done at home. We'll cover each step clearly, ensuring you can complete the replacement quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with opening the key fob. To begin, press the small button on the side or back of your key fob to release and remove the physical key blade. Set this key aside. Next, look inside the opening where the key blade was. You'll find a small slot or indent. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist or pry to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic.
If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. On another note, for all your car manuals and repair guides, consider the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for reading anywhere, even in the garage. Check the description below for a link to the Kindle and other great deals. Your support helps us create more content. Now let's get back to the video.
With the key fob open, you will see the round, coin-shaped battery. It's typically a CR 2032 battery. Before removing it, take a moment to observe its orientation. Usually, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Now, use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out from its compartment. It should pop out with minimal effort. Avoid touching the internal components. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, making sure the positive side, or the side with the writing, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Press it down gently until it clicks securely into place. Once the new battery is installed, carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear them snap shut, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, slide the physical key blade back into its slot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.